G'day and welcome. We're back. I've actually managed to do it. This is the second month in a row, so that's already something to be proud of. Vlog Nation is back. Turn up. This month I bought a new lens, and it's a long lens. Should put that on. Anakin would not be proud, as you can see. And I thought it'd be extremely inappropriate if I filmed the intro on this. Get into it, get amongst it, and get around it. That's right, we're back. I have no idea if I'm in the frame or if I'm in focus. I'm yelling from a really far distance. I told you it was inappropriate. This month is going to be bloody hectic. This video is going to be fantastic. I can't wait for you to watch it. We've got tennis with Charlotte, we've got bloody parties, we've got Laneway Fest, we've got Loyal Kana live in the flesh. We've got bloody Prince. That's kicking off. If you want to come to Prince, here's my list. Oh my god. And a whole bunch of other bloody crazy shit, so strap yourselves in, mate, because this is going to be a hectic one. This is where you are in for a treat, I'll tell you that much. We walked home to the bloody city. Shit, the camera's going to die.
What's up, Lee?
Yo, Lee.
Was late in the fall. I caught a glimpse of never died. The TV hasn't worked and they just probably got a shorter cable. Way too busy fucking on the sofa or the kitchen table. Like a card on YouTube. I just feel like you watching rappers on YouTube.
Hey, strap up, dog. Ask him to have a lanyard. I want a lanyard.
Big ups!
And I've said that someplace and I haven't really meant it, but when I say it here, I fucking mean it from the bottom of my heart. Like the friends, same ones who say there's nothing to defend, so we blend. I spray a little something, not a pen. They're telling I don't want it in the ends. I tell them this isn't the ends. It's where I rest my head. Days get weary and the stress gets dead, so I pour a bath, I stretch my legs, then I pour another glass just to get my zeds. Big ups! My name is Loyal Khan and that is the infamous Rebel Clef. We'll be back very, very fucking soon. Thank you so fucking much. I will never ever forget it. Ever.
My bed and my mama, I'm sorry. Set it on me, 81, and bring the crashes to the party. And you know me, the 02 until the 03, dog. Yo, Lee, drop your weapon. Drop your weapon, Lee.
it's a whole lot of yeah. Whole lot of, it's a whole lot of yeah.
Woo! Let's go for a dip. Just jump.
Leaf.
It's so blurry.
Like everyone's bag leaf.
Wait, it's literally the blurriest thing I've ever seen. No idea how to use this apparatus.
You just like push go. Was that a crocodile or a rock?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so shallow. See ya. Let's walk home like this. How are you?
Your entertainment was all in vain, man.
Oh! Get it above your head. Oh. Where are we now?
No idea.
Yeah, we good.
For you, Lee.
Wait, Lee, this is for you. Wait, Lee, how you getting home again? Yeah, sick, bro. Back where are we up to? Dandenong Road. Oi, Lee. Nah, Lee, 7-Eleven's sick. Yeah, no. We're gonna beat you home, bro. We're gonna beat him home.
Quick pit stop.
We're on High Street right now. Yeah, we're making it. The camera's about to die, but we're on High Street, so. Wait, Lee, look where we are, dog. Look where we are, dog. Look where we bloody are. We made it. No worries at all. The Kings are home. Yeah, how's your Uber? Yeah, you didn't get any Louis V? LV, baby? I'll go fuck them up. There you go. Yeah, Lee, how was the Uber home? Yeah, I hope it wasn't too bad.
What I want, what I really want is a Spice Girl. Zigga, I fuck up my whole world. Posh when she talk, nothing like old girl. Scary and spoiled.
Wait, Lisa, you're in the vlog.
Oh, can you film?
Yeah, I'm filming right now. Go.
Have you seen any of the vlogs?
Is this
So he's all over it.
Party.
So it's my party next weekend, so make sure you come down to
Hit us.
Street Usedale.
What's going on, guys? We're out here at the Love right now. Having a good time, making some new friends. Sam Evans was here, Steve's here. She looks gorgeous, as always.
It's currently 5:30 in the morning. It's pitch black outside. I'm in the car and I'm about to drive to Jack's and then we're going to go to Torquay and we're going to have a bit of surf. And that's how it is, mate.
Cal, what's the time? Why aren't we surfing right now?
Because Jack didn't check the surf report properly. I mean, I could have checked it as well, but he's an idiot, yeah.
Moron.
Sure, it's like a rite of passage in Geelong, like fucking the Sphinx.
Yeah, we couldn't go surfing, so we went to Egypt. Hey Jack, how were the waves this morning?
Super nice, dude. Just flowing right nice off left onto the rocks, real good, yeah.
Look at this gazer. Hey Jack. Hey Jack.
What?
Look at this gazer.
Yeah.
Hey Jack,
We're in Egypt.
My favourite part was when she said, have you ever been here before?
The local food. That is definitely close to the horror.
That was really good, Jack.
It's next week.
Sent it. Hey Jack. Oh, nice. You're in the vlog.
That's all we wanted to do. Just get you.
Wait, you gotta smile.
I do.
Wait, this is the thumbnail. Stay still.
Like a dad. No,
No,
say something emotional.
Alright, Elise. What's it been? How long have we known each other? Let me...
21 years. Sure.
Like the lights on here or not?
Being as though I was last to sign it, I have the honour of presenting you with the present. Elise, this is on behalf of all of us, plus a few more who aren't here. Happy birthday, Elise. You've made it. You've always been a good friend to all of us.
That's beautiful. You're doing everyone's dinner. Can you do a speech tonight?
That's a bit too much. No, fair go. Mate, give me a topic. 3 palm cards in 20 minutes. We'll see.
Whose note's the best?
Happy birthday.
Big long electric. That's right, it's a JB half. I get that,
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci.
because it's a really special present.
Oh my god. Guys, thank you.
Really getting into the Hawaiian thing.
That's what I bought it for. 24 pack of wing blues.
It's a newie too.
Brand new. Look at this gazer.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fucking man, Wally. What a legend. Hey, mate. Put me the fucking shame, mate. Ready for the ball. Go, 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 go.
Did you want to get it in your mouth or?
Go, 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 go.
I'll see you in the next one.
Ohana like how Leland was Stitch me. Every day's an adventure like how Morty and Rick be. Family trips to the